Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So currently I'm in a farm this morning. I'm here to help one of my clients to get some renewable stocks. For many of us that are into the hatching segment of this business, you would know what broodstocks are. And for those that are not into the hatching, broodstock are big and aged fishes that are used for spawning. They are the fishes used to create these fingerlings, juvenile fingerlings you guys see outside. So we are here this morning to help him get like 4 pieces. So in case you are interested in getting this product, you can send us a message. So in this video, I will share one or two qualities to look out for in a good broodstock. So follow us as we get this broodstock.
Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So first thing first, you must be able to identify the sex of your catfish, of your broodstock. I've actually done a video on how to identify the sex of your catfish via their reproductive organ. You can check my profile for that. And moving forward, you also check the female fish if its egg is ripe enough. This is very important, very important. It is the most important stage of the hatching process. You should be able to recognize a ripe African female catfish with quality eggs. You as a hatcher, you should be able to know if the eggs coming out from your fish are ripe enough for spawning, because if they are not ripe enough, that is where your problem starts. That is when your issue starts. If you are not able to identify quality and ripe eggs from your female catfish. So what we are actually doing on screen here is we are trying to check if the eggs are ripe enough. Different farmers with different ways of checking for ripe eggs. Yours might be different from what we are doing here. You actually have to stick to what is working for you. So your own way of checking for ripe eggs might be different from the one you're seeing on your screen. Just make sure you check if the egg is ripe enough. In addition to that, before selecting your broodstock, please make sure you ask questions. Make sure you ask questions from the owner of the fish before you buy it, before you take it down to your farm. There are so many things you need to ask the breeder of your fish. There are so many things you need to ask the person rearing your broodstock before taking them to your farm. After doing all this, you make sure you weigh your fish. You should know the total weight of your broodstocks in kg. In this business, we don't sell by numbers, we sell by weight. So you should know the total weight of your broodstocks in kg. Then after then, we move out of the farm. We are heading back to our farm to get us started with the hatching. So thank you.